Life is easy when you are up on the mountain. You've got a peace of mind like you never know. But things change when you're down on the valley. Don't lose faith, for you're never alone. For the God of the mountain is still good in the valley when things go wrong. He'll make them right, and the God of the good times is still good in the bad times. God of the day is still good in the night. Alright friends, my name is Nixon, and today I'll be doing unboxing of 4 items for my studio and also for my performance gear. So I'm just going ahead. I have my Leatherman Wave EDC as usual. So this one was shipped by FedEx from the States and also by UPS to here. So I'm going to open. This is where it came from, and my name is there, and so forth. All right. It is from Sweetwater's Sweetwater company, and let me check how they pack. Okay. All right. Here are some documentation. Here is the package from Sweetwater Music Instrument and the Pro Audio. And let us check. These are just documentation and whatever taxi things. So I'm just going to open the package. Okay, this is a note from Sweetwater. Okay, let me go and check what is inside. Lot of things. So there's a getter, nylon mesh microphone, pop filter. This one. Also, second is the Shure SM58 dynamic microphone, and also the Pro Audio cables. And that's it. This is a catalog book from Sweetwater's Gear, which I will check later. But otherwise, that's it. I am missing one item, and that is the stand for the microphone. So I'll call Sweetwater engineer sales to ask for that. I don't know how they missed to pack it. Otherwise, this is my unboxing. I'll show you the next videos when I'll be unboxing each individual item. Bye for now.